Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. My name is Timpani. For those of you who don't know me, I upload beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube, and today I'm going to be working with the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. I've had this palette for a while now, but I just haven't like reached for it or used it, so I thought I would film a little tutorial using it today in case you have this palette or you have something similar and you wanted to create, you know, a corally glam type look. I don't know what you would call it. I'm gonna call it corally glam. Let's just go with that, okay? Anyways, so yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, make sure to stick around. Also, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe for more future content from me. Let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Alright guys, so to get started, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm so tired, guys. I went to bed at like midnight and then like popped up like 4 AM. I couldn't go back to bed and needed to record a video, so here we are. Now I'm just going to prime my lids using the Morphe concealer. And then just going to buff that out using my Morphe M173. And while I wait for that to dry down a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. So I'm just gonna comb those out. And then I'm gonna use my Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. And then just put those in place with just a little bit of brow gel. For eyeshadow, like I said, we're going to be using the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. I'm going to go in with this shade right here on a big fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M504. And I'm just going to dust that all over my lid. Next, I'm going to go into the shade right here with a Morphe M433, and I'm going to apply that color into my crease. I'm going to go in with the same brush, and I'm going to take this one right here. I'm going to pack that in the outer corner. And then kind of tail that out a little bit. Next, I'm going to go back in with that Morphe 504 in this top shade over here, and just kind of blend that in that crease area into that shade I popped over here in the outer corner. Next, I'm going to take my finger and go in with this shade right here. And I'm just gonna pack that. Now it's time for some foundation. I'm gonna go in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear in Cinnamon. And I'm just gonna apply that using a Morphe M439. For concealer, I'm using Dose of Colors. This is the shade 22 Dark. And I'm just going to blend that out using a beauty sponge. And then to set the under eye area, I'm using my Huda Beauty powder in Kunafa. Again, using that beauty sponge to apply. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish my under eye. I'm gonna take this color right here on a little bullet brush. And I'm gonna go back into the shade here. Pop that in the inner corner. I feel like I need a little bit more color up top, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here and just give me a little bit more color up top. For liner, I'm going in with my usual. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. Now I'm going to set my face using my Dermablend Powder in Warm Saffron. And I'm just gonna set my face and like put on powder and stuff before I put on my mascara. Because I'm gonna set my face before I put on my mascara, so I gotta get the face done before we do that. For blush, I'm using my Glowing in Grease palette, and I'm gonna use the shades Mykonos and Paros, little combo. And I'm just using a Morphe E4 to apply that. For highlight, I'm gonna use the same palette. I'm going to go in with Athens. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. And then just gonna use my brush to kind of pat that in. For mascara, I'm going to be using my Lash Paris mascara. I'm just going to do a couple coats on the top and bottom. For lashes, I'm going to pop on one of my favorites. These are the Ardell Naked Lashes in 421. And then for lips, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors Gloss in Tough Cookie. Alright guys, so that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe for more future content from me. I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye!